Data released over the European session. What's caught your eye this morning?
It's been really all about PMIs, the Purchasing Managers Index data today, and we've focused here on the manufacturing PMIs. So it's a bit of a mixed bag, as is the case really with Europe. Economic data at the moment. So Germany, a read for them for May of 51.1. That was obviously showing growth, i.e. above 50, but below the forecast of 51.4, and perhaps more disappointingly, well down on the read that came from April of 52.1. The flip side to that was Spain, which just can't put a foot wrong at the moment. Spanish manufacturing PMI for May then 55.8 versus a forecast of 54.5. What struck me was that's the best number they've had for 97 months. So whilst the rest of the European Union and the Eurozone economies, there's a question mark about how they're doing. Spain, having been through all that pain, certainly looks to be coming out the other side, obviously coming off a lowish base, but nonetheless, keeps putting in good numbers. Italy also, it has to be said, has a positive number, and that was a sort of a 49 month high for them. So for the Eurozone as a whole, if you like, the blended number 52.2 versus a forecast of 52.3 and a prior read of 52, so up but below forecast, but
just by a smidge though.
Yeah, but heading in the main direction, or the right direction I should say. For ourselves here in the UK, we had a read of 52. That was below forecast of 52.5, but it was at least ahead of the April figure of 51.8. So a bit of a mixed bag, and plenty perhaps there for the government.
But the key thing, all the levels being above 50. So.
They are, but as far as the UK is concerned, the UK numbers concerned, people would like to see that moving more positively ahead, get the momentum back into the economy again, but we'll have to see what happens there.
Understood.